Hello students, one more case study question. Let us see what this question says. A point charge q1 is equals to plus 6e is fixed at the origin of the coordinate system, and another point charge q2 is equals to minus 10e is fixed at x is equals to 8 nanometer and y is equals to 0. The locus of all points in xy plane for which potential V is equals to 0 other than infinity is a circle centered on the axis as shown. Here we have shown the diagram. This is a circle in which this is y-axis, this is x-axis. Q2 is from center, it is at 8 nanometer. Q1 is lying at point in between the circle, and potential on this circle is 0. Now on the basis of this, we have to solve the questions. Number one, we have to find radius of the circle. Now for radius of the circle, we consider this point to be P and this point to be Q. Now potential at P is equals to 0, because on the circle the potential is 0, which implies that kq1 upon x1. Now from center, from the point this one, consider this distance to the center is x1, and the distance from this charge q1 to the point q it is equals to x2. So upon x1 will be equals to kq2 upon, now from center the distance of q2 is 8 nanometer, out of that x1 will be subtracted, so 8 minus x1. So k will get cancelled. q1 is 6e upon x1 is equals to 10e upon 8 minus x1. Now since the potential is to be 0, we have to do the sum, and when we have shifted on the right side, the minus sign had been changed into plus sign. On solving this, it becomes 24 minus 3x1 is equals to 5x1, which gives x1 is equals to 3 nanometer. Now similarly, potential at Q is also equals to 0. Therefore, it implies that kq1 upon x2 will be equals to kq2 upon, now till center it is 8, and from that we are onward having x2. So it becomes 8 plus x2. So k gets cancelled, which again gives us 6e upon x2 is equals to 10e upon 8 plus x2, which will further give us 5x2 is equals to 24 plus 3x2, that will give us x2 is equals to 12 nanometer. Now the radius is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2, that is equals to 3 plus 12 upon 2, that is equals to 15 by 2, that is equals to 7.5 nanometer. And in the answer 7.5 is option C. So for first case, option C is the correct answer. Now we see for the second part, x coordinate of center of the circle. Now the x coordinate for part number 2, x coordinate will be given by x2 minus r. Now x2 is 12 minus 7.5, that is equals to 4.5 nanometer. and 4.5. Now since it is on the left side of origin, it will be negative. So that is equals to minus 4.5 nanometer. So the option becomes option C. So here we tick the option becomes C. The potential, third question, the potential at the center of the circle. Now we have to solve for the third part, we have to find out potential at center. So potential at center will be given by KQ1 upon 4.5 into 10 to the power minus 9 minus KQ2 upon 12.5 into 10 to the power minus 9. That will be K into 6E upon K into 6E upon 4.5 into 10 to the power minus 9 minus K into 10E upon 12.5 into 10 to the power minus 9. On putting the values, we get the answer to be 0.77 volt. So in the option, we see that in question number 3, option 0.77 volt is B option. So here option B is the correct answer. Option B. I hope you must have understood how to solve case study question. For more questions, do check out my other videos.